You have probably seen videos from ZD Films, which has pulled in over 25 million subscribers by posting these 3D animated shorts, many of them reaching hundreds of millions of views. He has his own team and uses expensive tools. But today, we will try to make similar videos. Obviously, it won't be exactly like him, but it can still be very good if you work on it properly. So let's try to create story style videos inspired by ZD Films shorts. Let's get started. The first step in this process is creating highly engaging script and preparing all prompts needed for the video creation process. To make it easier for you, I have already prepared a set of high performing prompts for this niche, which you can find inside my free WhatsApp channel, link in the description below. Now to start off, copy the prompt and paste the master prompt and paste that master prompt in ChatGPT. After pasting, ChatGPT will give you 10 different ideas on which you can make videos. Enter the one that you want, and ChatGPT will generate the full story for you. It will include image prompts, video prompts, and a ready script for narration. Now we start with visual creations. We will use Flow AI for image generation as it is 100% free. Copy the first image prompt and in Flow AI select your aspect ratio and number of outputs, then click generate. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. In Flow AI, don't really paste the second image prompt. Instead, click the plus icon, upload the image we just created, and then paste the prompt. This helps maintain consistency in your visuals. Now, once the second image is generated, upload it as frame 1 and paste the third image prompt. Repeat this process to create all the images. When all the images are generated, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Now, in Flow AI, switch to video generation. Upload the first image as frame 1 and the second image is the in frame. Paste the video prompt and generate the video. Repeat this process for all images until all the clips are generated. Then download them. Now import all the clips into any video editing software. I'm using CapCut, but you can use any. And put some transitions and effects if possible, and your video is ready.
You wake up alone in totaling as you move towards it. The tunnel begins to open and sunlight finally appears. Cold breeze brushes.
Now, this is not even 60% of the ZD film level content. But if you follow this workflow with better tools and effort, you can definitely create a more engaging and attention grabbing video. Comment Zach if you want me to send you the exact master prompt I used in this video.